Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Motorola Moto G42, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up a free VPN on this device. Okay, firstly you need to open Play Store and install Turbo VPN application. Install. And now open your web browser and check how websites see your location without VPN. To check it, open 2ap.io website. As you can see, I'm in Poland and it's true. But now open Turbo VPN, click agree, click on the cross on the left top corner. And cool, now you can choose a country you want to connect to, or just click smart location to connect to the fastest VPN server. And fine. Now open 2AP to check how websites see our location with VPN. As you can see, we are in United Kingdom now. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.